Hi YouTube, Roseannya here, and today I'm making a short video / review on this Uni USB 3.0 Ethernet adapter. I needed to buy this because my ThinkPad does not have built-in Ethernet, and using Wi-Fi for video editing is quite difficult. The box is very plain, and I like how they ask for your random thoughts in the list for the support email. Opening the box, we are greeted with the adapter and a guide. Nice and simple packaging. It has a strange wide Ethernet socket with the lights on the side. Here is my ThinkPad. I wonder how difficult this will be. The lights are already flashing. This is looking promising. Time for a speed test. It gets the full 900 megabit of my internet. I'm very happy with this adapter. It was very easy to set up and it works perfectly. I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking for a USB Ethernet. It also works perfectly with the Nintendo Switch. I hope to see you all again soon. Till vi mötes igen. Ha det!